Excuse me? Do you have the cash? Hello, my name is the Doria, chef in Korea. We'll make a cream tteokbokki, so let's go. So today's menu is the fucking tteokbokki, the cream tteokbokki. First, the 양파, right? Onion. Always before cooking, you have to wash away the bad monster. We need half of onion.
도마 있잖아.
So we have to do half.
잠깐만. Chef Do, when you cut, you're cutting like this.
Yeah.
You don't cut like that.
Why?
You have to go like that.
Why?
So you don't cut your fingers. Like a dinosaur.
Like a tiger.
Yeah, like a tiger.
Like a tiger.
좀 곱게 자르면 안 돼? Oh shit.
Next, we need a bacon. Where are you, bacon?
I'm here.
Okay. I will cut the bacon 1 centimeter. We'll choose 6. Next, get olive oil, the 1 spoonful. You have to stir the onion and bacon together, okay? 노릇해질 때까지, when the color is yellow, stop.
They're jumping.
Because they are children, so they're like jumping. If you cook a long time, you have to power the muscle in your body, like this. Next, we have to pour the milk. So where are you milk? Here is the milk. So you stir again. Making a tteokbokki is to fighting with the stir. If the hand is hot, what is it? The rubber? You can prevent the hot out of the hand. Next, you have to pour the duck. 1.5 cup. This is 1 cup, okay? This is the half cup, okay? You're on the fire, you lower the fire, okay? Like this. I feel you like a DJ. Why you lower the fire? Duck, make it duck soft. Malang. And next, stir again. I think this is the family. They don't get out each other. But I think it will be more delicious. Why? Teacher, why? Because long time stirring, ingredients get together, so it's more delicious. You have to get a manner to the ingredients. Hey cheese! Hey cheese!
Okay, come on.
Hey, long time no see. We will those 3 cheese. 1 cheese, 2nd cheese, and the last cheese.
Hey, you sigh too much.
What?
You sigh too much.
Do you like that? Okay, I think it's done.
What's wrong?
It's great. I make a tteokbokki. It's too delicious to eat alone. So I get thinking of the gosongli seed. I will give some my present for him. So let's go. Before going to gosongli seed, I have to wear my pants. This very thin. This very thin. So we have to pour some water.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm alright. So. I like the risotto. You know risotto? Okay.
This is a revolution.
That's right. They're like the fusion. So we didn't make a tteokbokki, the cream tteokbokki and the rice fusion. 이거는 I think we can sell this in the market. 그런데 진짜 맛있어. Anyone could make it. Really. Please try it at home. You can do it. Bye.